Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm not just going to do one unboxing of my Glamour jewelry box, but I'm actually showing you two boxes. And the reason why is because I actually filmed this unboxing earlier and the footage got messed up. I was missing some footage, so I decided to just do it all over and do both unboxings since I have both to share with you. So I'm not going to act surprised like I have no idea what's in this box. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Culture and this is my channel called Pretty Casual. I cover so many different topics on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that bell so you know when I post my future videos. And now on with this video. Okay, since obviously I already opened up this box here, we'll start with this one. And the first thing that I have is this 3-tier necklace. It's beautiful. It's silver and it's got these little knots all the way through. The third tier is really long and it goes down like this, so you can put it over your shirt, inside your shirt, and then it's got like a choker and then a regular size necklace. It is adjustable, so you can make it tight or loose. This is such a beautiful necklace. If you want to wear multiple necklaces but you don't know how to layer, this actually covers all bases. I love it when people mix necklaces, but I personally am not very good at it, or at least when I put it on, I don't feel like it looks good enough. So this way you can wear that whole look and just have it be in one necklace. And then the next thing that I got is this really cool bracelet. This has got to be a new favorite of mine. It's got like a diamond design. Each diamond is attached to each other and it's got like a brushed metal look. And you can wear it like this, or you can turn it around and wear it like this, so you can definitely tell that it's a cuff. Okay, and then lastly are some earrings. They're like teardrop earrings with a little crystal at the bottom. I normally wear just studs, so I like having longer earrings or bigger earrings or statement earrings that are a little bit more subtle. Sometimes I feel like statement earrings can look a little busy just for me. I really love the way they look on other people, but I'm more of just a real like classic, clean jewelry. Nothing too busy, nothing too colorful, and these are right up my alley. What a pretty combination of jewelry. Okay, moving on to the next box. Now I don't know what's in this box, so it's going to be a surprise. Everything comes nicely packaged in here in case this is your very first unboxing video that you're watching of mine with Glamour Jewelry Box. And let's see. Ooh. Wow, okay, so it's cool because my last box was all silver and now this box is a combination of rose gold. I mean, who doesn't love rose gold? And then some, I think these are gold earrings. These are so unique. I've never seen any earrings like this before. A couple things stand out. Okay, so first of all, look at how cool these earrings are. They've got this arch on the top with dangling earrings and little crystals on the bottom. But check this out. This arch right here is the front of the earring, and then the back of the earring with the little post back here is where it dangles from. How interesting. So you can actually mix and match. You can just wear these arches with a different post and just have it just be the arch. So pretty. And then if you wanted to add this, you can, but you can also add this little post to any other gold earring that you want to add it to. Genius. I've never seen this before, so let's put these on. What a cool idea. They're not connected, just in the back, so you can wear them together or separately. Have you guys ever seen this before? This combination of the back and the front being different pieces of jewelry? Whoever came up with this idea, I love them already. So, so pretty. Okay, so moving on, I think this is another necklace. It's so pretty. Rose gold or maybe copper. No, this is definitely rose gold. This is a rose gold necklace. It's got 2 hoops here that are attached. And again, this is an adjustable necklace, so you can make it tighter or looser. Look at how cute this is. I don't think this is the right top for this necklace. Something white or off-white or black would actually be really pretty with this. Okay, and lastly is this rose gold bracelet. It's so cute. It's got these beads here around the bracelet, and then this kind of like a rectangular piece where you can slide it open and close, and then it's got these rose gold tassels. I love how it's got these different details, but it's still a very dainty, pretty bracelet. And you can wear the tassels on the outside or underneath. Either way, so pretty. So here is this combination of jewelry that I received in my latest Glamour jewelry box. I am in love with this necklace. I don't know what I love best. I like all three because they're so unique and so cute. Alright, so that is it for this video. If you want to learn more about Glamour Jewelry Box, I'll leave all the information down below. You can go to their website or you can follow them on Instagram. And speaking of Instagram, you can check out my page for more inspiration on how I accessorize my outfits using these beautiful pieces of jewelry. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye!